Hey guys, welcome to the Car Audio Centre, and today we're going to be unboxing the SPHEVO62DAB from Pioneer. This unit comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It also works with Spotify. It's got Bluetooth connectivity and a whole host of other features. DAB radio, you name it, it pretty much has it. The only thing it doesn't have is CD. So we're going to get it open and show you everything that you should expect if you order one. This unit is available with a universal fitting kit, which you do have to order separately. So if you are ordering one, make sure you do put your order in for the universal fitting kit as well. So first off, in the box you're going to get a 1 meter USB cable, a Pioneer microphone with bracket and sticky pad, Pioneer 16-pin ISO wiring loom, a small selection of screws, a pair of brackets that look like they bolt to the side of the unit, and also a input and output plug. So this comes with multiple different inputs for video input for camera, reverse camera input, rear monitor outputs, and all of your audio outputs. You also get Pioneer instructions. So here is the main body of the unit. This has connections on the back near 16-pin ISO. You also have the steering wheel remote input, microphone input, USB, and also the in and output plug. And then just above that you've got the DAB connection as well as the FM. This connection is the output to the screen. Inside here is your main display. So as you can see, it's a very slim display, which would be very good if you're fitting it in a car that has very little room behind the radio. So here's just a quick overview of everything that you'll receive in the box of an SPHEVO DAB. This is available with universal fitting kits or available with Renault or Peugeot fitting kits. If you're unsure whether this will fit into your vehicle, please drop us a comment down below with your vehicle information and we'll check to see if it's available for you.